2in1 design. This multi-port Mini DisplayPort to HDMI and VGA adapter lets you connect your Mini DP computer to any HDMI or VGA monitor using a single converter. Ideal for travel. Maximize portability with this compact, lightweight Mini DisplayPort hub that you can easily carry in your laptop bag while on the go. It works great with many systems, including any MacBook or Microsoft Surface Pro devices with MDP. Crystal clear picture quality. You won't have to sacrifice picture quality. This Mini DP to HDMI or VGA dongle supports video resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 or 1080p. Hassle-free setup. This Mini DisplayPort Multiport splitter supports full plug-and-play installation, with no additional drivers or software required. The Travel A/V adapter maximizes portability with a small footprint and lightweight design. The convenient design ensures the adapter is as portable as your laptop, fitting easily into your laptop bag or carrying case, and eliminates the need to carry more than one adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. This was a great price for a great tool. It works perfectly and does exactly what I need it to do. I use it with my MacBook Pro 2015 Retina display to hook up to a projector in the classroom. It's small enough to keep in the side pocket of my bag and it has options. Great tool.